Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can refund games on Steam. Let's get started. Open up your Steam application in your PC. Once signed in, simply tap on Steam at the very top, then select Settings. Now, simply tap on Account, and then tap on Account Details. Now after that, you need to go and simply tap on View Purchase History. You'll find it next to your Steam wallet balance. Now find and select the game you want to refund and then choose I would like a refund. Click on I would like to request a refund and Steam will show the game you're refunding, the refund amount, and where the refund will go. Steam wallet by default, but you may be able to change it. Also after that, you will be asked to provide a reason. Select the option that best applies. It's not fun, it's a common choice if you are unsure. After that, you can add any extra details in the note box. After that, click on Submit Request. To be eligible, your purchase must meet Steam policy, owned for less than 14 days and played for under 2 hours. If you meet these requirements, Steam will usually provide the refund quickly. And that is how you can refund games on Steam. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.